In this video, I'll show you how to save your Claude AI conversation as a Word document or Google Docs file. This is a great way to keep important chats, edit them later, share them with others, or use them for school, work, or content creation. So, let's get started. First, open the Claude conversation that you want to save. Now open a new tab in your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. If you're using another browser like Firefox, simply open that browser's extension store instead. Once the store opens, use the search bar and type Claude to Doc. From the search results, look for the extension called Claude to PDF, Word, and Google Docs by thinksolve.com. Once you find it, click on it. Now click the Add to Chrome button and then select Add Extension. The extension should install within a few seconds. After the installation is complete, go back to your Claude conversation and refresh the page. Once the page reloads, you should now see a new export icon near the top right corner of the Claude interface. Click on that export icon. You'll now see different export options, such as PDF, Word, and Google Docs. If you want to save the conversation as a Microsoft Word document, simply choose the Word option. If you want to open and edit it inside Google Docs, select the Google Docs option instead. The extension will then automatically convert your entire Claude conversation into a document file. Depending on the option you selected, the file will either download to your computer or open directly inside Google Docs. And that's basically it. You've now successfully saved your Claude AI conversation as a document, making it much easier to edit, organize, print, or share your chats whenever you want. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more simple and beginner-friendly tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.